This is the remote for our Dodge Charger. We've gotten a low battery indicator, so we're going to open this up and replace the battery. And this has seen a rough life, so a little flat blade screwdriver, and I'm pretty sure you start at this end. Give it a little twist, starts to pop apart. Work it around both sides. Lay that out. Looks like the battery actually has failed. Pop that out of there. It looks like moisture or some kind of dielectric or something on there. It is a number CR2032, one of the most popular there is. We actually buy these in bulk. Pull a new one out. We're going to put it back in the same way the other one came out. So the positive is the top, usually the one that has the writing on it, and they're marked. So this is all dusty along here. I'm just going to take a bit of canned air, just blow that out real quick. And we'll close this back up. Doesn't want to close back up. There it goes. There it is. See if you can listen for it. There we go. Battery changed.